Welcome to the installation guide for Hilltop for Python. Here at Hilltop we use Spider as our development environment, and it comes with the Anaconda distribution. I'm not going to tell you how to install Python on the basis that it's not our software and you probably already have it. You'll need pandas, as this library provides the structure to be able to do your high-level data analysis. It comes in the Anaconda library, but if you don't have this, you'll need to download and install pandas. Hilltop.pyd is the interface with Python, and this calls the hydrolib DLL. As I said in the introduction, hydrolib is the link that allows access to the data files you use in Hilltop. You need to be running the 32-bit or 64-bit versions of both DLLs and Python in order for them to be compatible. Doesn't matter which, so long as they're the same bit length. In Spider, if we go to Help, About Spider, we can see we've got the 64-bit version running. Now let's open Manager and go to Help, About Manager, and we're running the 32-bit version, so we'll need to change that. We check here to see where it runs from, locate that folder. This one is the 32-bit version, and the 64-bit version is in this x64 folder. So we'll open this one, double check we've got the right one. Yep. Okay, so now we go to Config, Python. This adds the location of the extension so that Python will be able to find it. Now, both DLLs must be installed in the same directory as Manager, so we'll shoot back to that x64 folder, and here they are here. And with that, we're done. Let's head back to Python and test the installation. The first thing we'll need to do is import the Hilltop module. Now that Hilltop is imported, you don't need to do it again. The Hilltop extension will import pandas, so you don't need to do that. Now you're good to go. But before you do go, let's have a quick look at the type of thing you can do. In the first line, we'll connect to a data file. Here, we'll give the function a site name and ask for what measurements are available at that site. The information is returned in a pandas data frame and has the list of measurements, the time range of the data, the units, and the type of data. For more on the functions available in Python for R, check out the guidebook.